Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use the stack up method to divide 6,240 by 18. So the stack up method is also very forgiving, just like our rectangle sections. So I'm going to set up the total that I have, and my divisor is going to go out here. And again, I want to try to use numbers that are easy for me to mentally multiply and then subtract. So again, we want to look at numbers, multiples of 10, multiples of 100. So in this case, I'm going to start with 100 because I know that 100 times 18 would give me 1,800, which I have enough to make that many groups. So then I'm going to subtract, and I'm left with 4,440. So I know that I can get at least 100 out of that. I'm going to go ahead and try 200 this time because that's another easy number that I can multiply, because I know 2 times 18 is 36, and then I have my 2 powers of 10 on there. And then I can subtract those. And I'm left with 840. So I know I don't have enough to get another 100 groups out of this, so this is where I'm going to go to my multiples of 10. So I know that 10 groups of 18 will give me 180, which I have plenty for this. So I'm going to try some other multiples of 10. So I'm going to try 50 groups of 18. Now I don't know what 5 times 18 is mentally, so it's okay to come right over here to the side and work that out. So that would give me 900, which I can see I only have 840 left to split out. So I'm going to have to try something less than 50. So I'm going to revise that, and I'm going to go with 40. So again, I'm going to come over here and do 18 times 4, which would give me 72 plus my 0 power of 10, so that would be 720. And I'm about to run out of board space, but I'll continue over here to the side. So that leaves me 120. Okay, so again, I know that I can't get another 40 groups out of it, so I'm just going to bring my 120 over here so that I can continue my problem. So if I want to get 18 groups out of 120, I know 10 is too much because I would need 180. So I am going to try something like 5 because I can easily multiply 18 times 5. So I should have kept that up there earlier. But that is 90. So I'm going to subtract my 90. And that leaves me with 30 left over. So I know that I can get at least one more group out of 30. So I'm going to put that little 1 right up there. 1 times 18 is 18. And that leaves me with 12. So I don't have enough to make another group of 18, so this becomes my remainder. But to find out what my quotient is, I'm now going to add up all of my partial quotients. So 100 plus 200 is 300, 45, 46. So 346, remainder 12 would be my final answer. And again, I want to check this with multiplication just to make sure that I divided correctly. So I would do 346 times 18 plus my remainder of 12. And when we do that, we do get 6,240. So this is a demonstration of how you can use the stack up method to divide multi-digit numbers.